Oh my goodness, rotations. Rotations are, in my opinion, the worst of the three rigid transformations and the easiest to mess up. I hope I do not mess up during this time. So, for our first transformation, we're going to rotate this triangle 90 degrees clockwise. So for clockwise, I have a little clock here. So I'm going to be going along the clock. So clockwise is going to be that way. All right, remember, 90 degrees clockwise is the same thing as saying 270 degrees counterclockwise. All right, counterclockwise. So if you have a problem that says 270 counterclockwise, rather think of it as 270 counterclockwise. 90 degrees clockwise may be easier. So again, rather than rotating the whole shape, it's better to rotate it point by point. So with this, we need to be really careful on how we think about how we get to that point. So how would I normally get to A from the origin? Well, I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 left and 3 up. So A, to draw A, I would be going 6 left and 3 up. For B, I would go 3 left, 2 up. 3 left and 2 up. And for C, 5 left and 1 down. 5 left and 1 down. Ooh. So we want to rotate this 90 degrees clockwise. So that means if you were, let's say you were going up. If you were walking up and we asked you, hey, don't go up, go 90 degrees clockwise of what up should be. 90 degrees clockwise of up going in this direction is right. In the same way, 90 degrees clockwise of right is down. 90 degrees clockwise of down is left, and 90 degrees clockwise of left is up. So what we can do actually to make our rotations easier is take our original directions and change them based on this 90 degrees clockwise movement. So instead of 3 left, it really means, instead of 6 left, it really means I should be going 6 up. And instead of 3 up, I should be going 3 right. So let's go 6, instead of left, I'm going up. 6 up and 3 right. So let's go 6 up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 3 right. 1, 2, 3. That is where my new A prime should be. All right, let's do the same thing for B. B is 3 left and 2 up. So instead of left, I should be going up. Instead of up, I should be going right. So 3 up and 2 right. 3 up, 2 right. This is my B prime. Finally for C, 5 left and 1 down. Instead of 5 left, I'm going 5 up. And instead of 1 down, I'm going 1 left. So to think about it again, I'm going 5 up, 1 left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up, and 1 left. That is C prime. I should have written B over here. All right. So connect this triangle here. So this triangle has been rotated 90 degrees clockwise. So it went from here to there. That's a 90-degree clockwise rotation. And it makes sense, because take a look at the point C. See how C is 1 under this axis? Now C is 1 left of the y-axis. So we should see this movement keep happening. So this is the 90-degree clockwise one. Let's think about the points. What is A prime? A prime is now 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 6. B prime is 2, 3. C prime is -1, 5. All right, So look at these points, look at the original points. There was definitely some kind of a swap for sure. X and Y values have switched, but not exactly, they didn't just switch. There's something else that happened. X, no. X and Y have switched to Y and X. Well, there's more going on than just that. 3 to negative 1, 3 to negative 1, okay, it looks like the Y values stayed as the Y values. The X values, however, have changed to from negative to positive and positive, no, just negative to positive. So that means the X values are actually negative. This is the notation for 90 degrees clockwise or 270 counterclockwise. X and Y, the X and Y values switch, but the X is negative. All right, just double checking, X and Y switched, and X becomes negative. Perfect. Now, let's do this one here. Instead of 90 degrees counterclockwise, you could also say 270 degrees clockwise. It is easier to move, to choose the one that has less degree movement. It's easier to move 90 degrees than 270. 270 can get confusing and you may mess up. Well, since I'm going counterclockwise this time, I don't want to think about it this way. It may mess me up. So we're going counterclockwise this time. We're going against the clock. So this way. If I'm going counterclockwise this way, what happens? Right will now be up. Up will now be left. Left will now be down. Down will now be right. All right. So let's think about the directions to draw the original 3 points. And we're going to switch them up based on the counterclockwise rotation. So originally to get A, I go 6 left and 3 up. But instead of going left, I need to go down. Instead of 3 up, I need to go 3 left. So 6 down and 3 left. 6 down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 3 left. 1, 2, 3. And that is where my new point A should be. Let's call this A prime prime, A double prime. Doing the same thing with this. It's in the same motion. Instead of 3 left, it means 3 down. Instead of 2 up, it's 2 left. So 3 down, 2 left. 3 down, 1, 2, 3. 2 left here. That is B prime prime. Finally, let's look at the directions for C. 5 left. 5 left, counterclockwise 90 degrees, really means 5 down. 1 down really means 1 right if we're going counterclockwise. So again, that's 5, not left, 5 down and 1 right. 5 down, 1 right. This is my C prime prime. Make a triangle. Right? And let's think about what happens to the points. Well, A double prime is negative 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Negative 3 and negative 6. B double prime is negative 2, negative 3. C double prime, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, negative 5. So look at the points. So again, my X and Y values have switched. It was negative 6. Now the negative 6 is on the other side. 3 on the other side. So they've definitely switched, but something has changed. The X value switched to where the Y, the X value of the original became the Y position of my new points. So X just goes in the second spot. So this is Y, but there's a little bit more that happened. Look, it was positive 3, now it's negative 3. It's negative 1, now it's positive 1. That is a sign change. We note a sign change as negative. So negative Y. This is my notation here. So 90 degree clockwise, Y negative X. 90 degrees counterclockwise is negative Y, comma, X. Now, for the last rotation, this is 180 degrees. The nice thing about 180-degree rotation is that clockwise and counterclockwise, it does not matter. It still ends up in the same place. So let's think about our directions. If I'm going up, what is 180 degrees of up? It really just means turn to the other side. So instead of up, I'm going to go down. Up is going to be down. Down is going to be up. Right is going to be left. And left is going to be right. So up is down is up, left is right is left. So let's do that with all the points here for A triple prime. So instead of going 6 left, I'm going to go 6 right. Instead of going 3 up, I go 3 down. 6 right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3 down, 1, 2, 3. So what is that? That is my A triple prime. A prime, prime, prime. Next, B. Instead of 3 left, I'm going to go 3 right. Instead of 2 up, I'm going to go 2 down. So 3 right, 2 down, 1, 2. This is my B triple prime. Last one is C. Instead of 5 left, I'm going to go 5 right. Instead of 1 down, I'm going to go 1 up. So 5 right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1 up. C prime, prime, prime. Nope, I completely missed that one. All right, now, so this is my 180-degree rotation here. Again, thinking about the points. 6, negative 3. So we're going to write 6, comma, negative 3. B triple prime is 3, negative 2. C triple prime is 5, comma, 1. All right, let's look at the numbers. 6, 3, 5, 6, 3, 5, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. So it looks like the negatives became positives, positives became negatives, but x and y are still in the same place. So my notation for this, x became negative, and y became negative. However, x and y are still in the same positions. So yeah, 180 degrees is the nice rotations. 90 in either direction is pretty confusing. Yeah, so that's it.